Okay, I received this GWInstek GDM-350B. I paid $27 for it plus shipping on Amazon. Well, shipping was free. I have a Prime account. So I removed the battery cover. The screw is not, it doesn't get retained in the battery cover, so you got to watch out for that. Has a warning not to replace the battery if the leads are in it. And got this extra heavy duty Forte Puissance GP extra heavy duty battery with it. And I see here this is plus and minus. We'll put this in and turn it on. See what we get. That is sure a wonky battery connector there. But I guess this will hold it down. And we'll screw that on. It looks a little loose over there. Now I like the little stand. So still have the protective plastic on the front. Let's pull that off. Oh, we have life. And so power switch works. This is the leads that came with it. Okay, I like that. It's not real sharp. It's kind of pointy, like a ballpoint pen. The little cover is kind of soft, so it kind of fits on there with a little elasticity. So I actually like that better than the hard plastic ones. So let's put a lead in it, check for ohms. Has a little stopper in there. So put that there. Oh, that says ohms milliamp. Okay. So as you can see, it's CE approved, and it's category 3 up to 300 volts for the voltage. But yeah, I haven't had it 5 minutes, I already have the leads tangled. Okay, so let's put this on ohms. Let's put it on beep, see what the beep sounds like. It's a little bit slow on the beat, but not too bad. Not too bad. Let's go to 200 ohms. See if we can zero it out. I'm beginning to think there's a little bit of a residue on these or something. There we go. 0.3 ohms. So that's good. And so this came with it as well. And this little temperature sensor. So it's about 75 degrees in here. Let's see what it says. 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So the little end is welded together. This should only fit one way here. And this is degrees C, 28 degrees C, and that's about right for 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's pull that out. And as Dave says, let's take it apart, see what's in there. I don't see any screws in here. Only two screws I see are these. So let's take these off. And no, they're not captured either. We seem to have a little, there we go, little points in there. Oh yeah, that smell. Chinesium. Oh wow. Well, we have the current resistor there. Wow, and two fuses. Connections to the leads are pretty well isolated with the plastic. And what do we have down in there? Some kind of switch, or I'm not sure what that is down in there. But the layout is pretty nice. You have your two little springs there that contact the back. What is that? Oh, is that the beeper? Yeah, I guess that is. That's the buzzer. The two little springs connect to the buzzer. And yeah, this little board here goes over here, and maybe it's a Hall effect sensor, so that when you, no, there's nothing in there. Huh, not sure what that is. But it's RoHS compliant, which means they weren't supposed to use any lead. Now that looks a little odd right there. Let me get my
that power.
No, those look good. Good solder joints. I'm not going to take the I'm not going to take these loose. But there you have it. $27 GWInstek GDM-350B. Now let's see if I can get my camera to focus a little bit better on my phone. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. It's doing better than the other one. If you look right down in there between those two posts, you can see the Hall effect sensor, or whatever it is, with the two wires going over to the board. And well, it's trying to focus. A little too close, I guess. There's the two springs that go to the beeper buzzer. And there's the current shunt, 10 amp I would suspect. And I haven't looked to see what size the fuses are. Let me see if I
forgot to mention that there is a manual, and the fuses are 10 amp 600 volt and 0.5 amp 600 volt. They're both 6 by 32 millimeter fuses.
Yeah, she wants to focus now. Okay, well, that's the review of the GWInstek GDM-350B, and I just wanted to give you a front view of it. It was a little bit better focused than my other camera. Well, this is Tony doing everyday things. Thank you guys for watching. And you keep doing everyday things. We'll see you next time.